Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a Honda push to start key fob. So what we're going to do, in the back you have this little button. Just slide it to the side, then we can take the emergency key out. After you take the emergency key out, you can use the emergency key. You just stick it back in the hole. And then you pop the cover to open. Okay. And then we can see the battery here. It's CR2032. Just take it off. I'm going to put a new one in there. And then we're going to put the cover back together. That's it. We're all done. It's very simple. You can do it yourself, and thank you for watching.